Hello guys, today we are doing heat map integration on the site. We are doing this through a tool called Hotjar. This tool basically what it does, it basically record all the users interaction on website, and I will show you how this is beneficial for our site for any analysis. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to just install a JavaScript tracking code on the site. And how we'll get this? You'll just go to the website, then to the sites and organization, and the tracking code. And now you have to just copy this code and place it in the header section. So this is the header section. You have to place the code just before the closing of head section, and then update this file. After updating the file, you have to verify the code. So this will take some time to verify. This will check basically if the code is placed correctly on the site. So so you can see the Hotjar installation is verified. So now what we have to do is, first of all, I will go to the heat map. So what basically a heat map does is, it collects the data of users, like where the user is clicking, and where the user is scrolling through the page. So to create a heat map, just name it, like suppose we are creating a heat map for this particular page. So I will name it as heat map. Then the number of page views, then the URL, the exact URL of the page, and that's it. So this is how you can create a heat map. So now it will record all the users interaction for this particular page. And after this, so you can know, basically all this tool, it basically help us to see how user is behaving, how he's interacting with site. So it basically give you a qualitative data rather than the quantity that Google Analytics provide you. Like in Google Analytics, you'll get a quantitative data, like you'll get the number of page views, the number of user, the number of session, but you will never know why the user they are not buying from your site. So through this tool you can measure the fault on the site and how you can improve the website uh, for more user interaction and to engage users. So now we have created a heat map. Then the second is we can even record the users, a particular user session. So this is a demo that I can show you. So I have recorded a demo. So in the demo you can see the user is inactive on this page. So I will forward this. um, so now you can see he clicked on a particular page, then he's redirected to this page. So you will see recording all the activities of what a user does on a particular page. So it basically record all the users interaction, so you can know that where you need to change the site. Let's suppose a user is coming to this page, but he's not clicking on book now button. So what you can do is you can even change the color of this particular button, or you can add, like, from 10% off you can change this wording, or you can add like a 11% discount, 11% off. So you can try different technique, like, and see, you have to see like where are more engaging, and then you can keep that. Suppose a user are clicking on, if you change the color to green, and uh, you can see the increase in your book now button clicks. So you will keep the color button color to green. And we have funnels. Funnels are same as the Google Analytics provide. The You will see an option in the analytics. So what